This is the solution video for section 4.4, problem number 9. For 9 and 10, use the given sign chart for f prime and f double prime to sketch a graph of f. All right, so what we're looking at here is essentially the double sign analysis. All right, and so what I want to do is I want to create my number line. Now, the numbers on the number line are actually only 0 and 2. So I'm going to put 0 here, and I'm going to put 2 here. All right, f prime is what's above, and f double prime is below. All right, so we know that f prime is undefined and 0 at those locations. Okay, and then it is negative, it is positive, and it is positive. All right, f double prime is undefined and it is 0. All right, and so we know that f double prime is positive, negative, and positive, right? That's all really, I mean, that's what that thing shows. So we just have to make sure that we can interpret that correctly. All right. And so now what we want to do is we want to match up the signs of the first and second derivatives so we know what the curves look like. All right. So if I have a curve that has a negative first derivative and a positive second derivative. So what does that mean? Negative first derivative means decreasing. Positive second derivative means concave up. So it has to look something like that. All right. Next would be a positive first derivative, so increasing, and a negative second derivative, so concave down. So increasing and concave down, something like that. All right. And then the last one is positive first derivative and positive second derivative, so increasing and concave up, so something like that. So now we have to join these together, and we have to make sure that they actually join together at the appropriate type of derivative. All right. So the curve on the left and this middle curve, all right, they have a first derivative of undefined when they join. So if you think about it, if you put those two curves together, is it going to be smooth? Well, the answer is no, it shouldn't be. The derivative is undefined. So we're either expecting a corner point cusp or a vertical tangent. And so they would join together at a corner point. All right. And so I'm going to start drawing a graph over here. Okay, now we don't know any y values, so let's just say, I don't know, for argument's sake, that f of 0 is 0 or something like that. So there's a point at 0, 0. So these two curves are going to join together at that point. So I have my decreasing concave down curve here, goes into 0, and then my increasing concave down curve that goes like that, right? All right, then at x equals 2, these two curves need to join together. All right, so if we join those two curves together, they have to have a 0 first derivative. So at 2, this curve should level off here, and then it should continue on with a concave up curve. So this is a horizontal tangent, so concave down to concave up. All right, and so that is a potential graph of f that has those qualities true about it.